have known S.V. Balaji now for over 2 decades. He is not just a salesperson, he is a sales professional. A professional is a person who produces results at will, without being monitored, without being followed up, without being told, without being cajoled, without being pushed, without being reminded. He is a professional, a hardcore sales professional. And because he is a professional, he worked on his 4E, which means his education in the field of sales, sales management and sales leadership. He worked on his first E, that is education. Then he gave a lot of exams in front of the customers and succeeded and produced results at will. He has the third E, which is known as ethics. And he has always been extremely ethical and very deep and insightful in his work. And this is the things that I like about Balaji. So education, examination, ethics and experience. His experience is not a failure's experience. His experience is an experience of how results are produced by a salesperson, by a sales manager, by a sales leader. Now there are a lot of people in this world who have experience in their particular profession, but their experience is a bad experience. They don't know how to produce results. Balaji and key factors comes across very differently. Loaded with this experience of many years, he decided to start key factors. And what are the key factors that impacts human beings in the profession of selling? What are the key factors that a salesperson should remember, sales manager should remember, a sales leader should remember? The key factors. The name of the company, Key Factors, itself demonstrates that he has an insightful desire to offer something that the whole world is not offering at this moment. I have personally seen him as my teacher, even though I have been in the profession of selling for over 37 years and I have an exceedingly beautiful sales track record of 1:1. But every time I meet him, I feel humbled and I feel I don't know anything about sales. Recently when he was talking about the sales maturity continuum and how people go from begging to telling to selling to educating, and this entire process of how he worked on this whole thing, on the concepts, he looks at the client, he looks at the education that is available and then creates something beautiful, something original, something new, something different, something better, which mesmerizes the receiver of the audience. I wish Balaji and I wish his team, Captain Ved, and the other people at Key Factors the very best in life. I feel people like this were brought to this planet to bring about maximization in and around them. I feel people like him came to this planet to maximize all those who came in touch with them. I feel he is a phenomenon and I feel he is very humble, he is very rooted, and he is extremely insightful and very sharp in his understanding of the profession of selling. So I feel if there is any organization which wants to bring an overall transformation in sales, sales management, sales leadership, and an overall structuring and restructuring right from the CEO down the line as to how sales has to be oriented, I believe from the chairman to the doorman, everybody should be a master in selling. And Balaji has a module, Balaji has a method, Balaji has the strategy and the tactics to bring a complete worldwide, organization-wide, if I say worldwide, organization-wide transformation as far as sales is concerned. I wish him, I wish Key Factors and I wish Team Key Factors the very best, and may you all rise up to become global leaders in the field of sales, sales management, sales leadership, and may you in training, in sales auditing, in sales training, in sales coaching, in sales mentoring, may your organization reach unbelievable heights and may you become the darling of this entire world, and the whole world looks up to you as the solution provider to the most difficult problems that people face and experience in the field of selling. I wish you the very best. My name is Tiger Santosh Nair. I am the chairman of a beautiful entrepreneur transformation company, Smart Training and Consultancy Services Private Limited, and I am also the chairman of Santosh Nair Knowledge Products and Merchandise, a company, a group company that is dedicated to the cause of entrepreneur transformation, enterprise transformation, and individual transformation. I wish all the listeners of this video the very best in life. May you blossom, may you achieve greatness. Thank you.